Yo, ever bling wait, me give them a word of advice. Humble yourself, go build your own vibe.
Yeah, people, I'm back again. My front camera is really dark and I have a good quality. So, yeah, what I'm going to do, I'll invent something we actually use like how I not have a camera, man. So, I'll invent a camera stand or something like that. I'll invent something for put my camera, my phone pan, should say, on video. So, where people that say not necessary, but me call them things unnecessary. So sometimes cause me's a man where always invent things or fix back things or them things there. So me have one bag where me store them in whatever. So we have a look in there where we can really find. So me I gotta throw it out on the ground. Yeah. You know, say my channel are excited, you know. So I just tune in. Look like a big pile of rubbish. Alright. We're gonna see what we have to find now. We can't find in there. My problem is space. The space, I'm gonna need a bigger memory. Like we see. So actually, find a piece of glass. So piece of glass. We'll see what that can do. Alright. Staple gun. And piece of this. Alright. So I think I'm going to find this is this is not this is not this is optical stick. This is not this is not this this is glass. You things around the glass this keyring. Our key my company butter my company this is not this also my company this can provide that speech can use it but root it alright this is our company I mean this is my company reason so these are videos and check as well as you can find people may show now when me find round me surrounded. A while ago could not find my phone. I really know where I really did put it. So. Yeah, so when we get to it, alright. I find alright, pipe, 2 set of pipe. This and that. So me carry a tape measure because I'm gonna need that. Alright. Board. Find board they need for clean up because they're dirty. So we'll clean them up. Me find this. And whilst me find. So actually just those me find. So I will go ahead and start do this. Really need somebody for video me now. Yeah, me did actually I measure it and I show it, but it not show. So the measurement of 4.5 feet right there. So yeah, let me start cut. They have some problem cutting it because maybe need something firm for your cut pan. So measure the two part them and get them. Then we measure and get a 4 inches cut right there. So I cut in a 4 inches. So I cut 4 of them in a 4 inches. And then I start to nail. here. Nail up them. So me actually just nail up one side for show you as an example. And then me get the other side nail up, but me have enough space, so you know that. So I actually find the middle for this. So you find the middle, mark it in the middle. Get the piece where you go put crossway now. Put it, measure it over them. Yeah. Put it in the middle. Yeah. Nail. Alright, so like that. So yeah, see how me nail it up there? And you got the two sides there. Yeah, even. And one level. And me get the bottle now and put it on. Yeah, so me can put on and pull off like that. So alright, go with that. So me get on the part here, so you see how me nail it and staple it, nail it and bend it right there, nail it and get down there. So this firm, actually firm right there. So we are gonna move to another step. Right, me actually cut the pipe. I cut it a little bit taller than the other pipe because I want it to have a little, you know? So reach around the part. So you see it? Watch this. You can come off simple and easy and go on there.
Remember this? Alright, I use this. So I use only one of these for the actually I am not using this to strength, so get the one this. So so get the iron here, no? So you got strength. So you want it. So yeah.
Alright. See how me nail down this spine here, so. Alright. Nail down right here. This is not it. Alright, so we reached to the part here now. We got this part here and we got this part here now. So we are gonna make it, can adjust that. We make it move how we want to move it now. So here we got add piece of iron. You can use drill if you have drill, but I don't have any drill, so I'm gonna use them. So I'm gonna use one iron and heat it and bore it. Alright, so we are going to bore it all upon this to get it to the adjustment where we want. So we are going to adjust it 5 inch. So 5, 10, 15, and 20. But we are testing how 20 go. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, see there? We have the holes them bore. We adjust it. But when it adjusts, this height it kinda not firm, so we are gonna firm up down there. So me have a way how me go firm up it. You see me? So when you reach this height here, in a shake like that. So we are gonna firm up the down the lower part. Right, so what we do for firm up here now, so it firm, so we drive 4 nails on the 4 corner to give it strength. So firm here now, so I hit that so you can adjust it, it stick how you want it. You have got have a thing in here, so you adjust it how you want it, because it hold them there, so you just adjust it thing. Like that, right? And you adjust your one levels there, so It no matter how much wool you want to put on, you can put any amount or you want to adjust a thing, but that's my adjustment. And you have a thing right here if you hold it. So you can build your thing in a style, because I'm going to build my thing in a style, said we. Yeah, so we are going to drop on the part where you hold the phone in there now. Alright, see we put on the part where you hold the phone in there. So see how I deal with it, eh? Yeah. You can adjust any way you want. So you don't have to worry yourself. Even if your foot not on a level spot and you want the camera if you have a level, you can adjust it how you want it. Anyhow you want put it. Even if you want get view from overhead to down to the ground, you can set it like that. So alright, so see we spray it with the scan spray. Alright, down here so now we're going to paint it. Because we run out of scan spray but we have paint, so we're going to use paint. So you can actually spray this if you want, the part there if you want. But me, I will use paint because we run out of scan spray.
Done sign.
Alright people, finish here now. So yeah, so the phone I go in here, so you can adjust it any way you want. So and this rotating. Can remember a part where we put on it for rotating. This I must say you can extend. So it comes to boom. Extend it. Remember I hold them on it. See you hold them there. Extend it. So you don't know say I finish is something that didn't finish for me. You can spray some. You don't know anything go, so you can extend very high. Come down. Yeah, I remember say you can pull up too. So you can pull up easy. Just like that. So if you want to put it up or anything, simple one too. So we will test it out and run a little video with it. As you can see, hold that.
Badness up. See it? I want to go flowers and me and I want to do a little experiment, man. You understand? the leaves, you must wash off the leaves and all these things. So they wash off the leaves, you can get it good.
Kick back and I will have one vibes. Cup in a me gun first place, still a light. And I see me alright, dog. You know see me alright.